Hey guys, it's me, Uncle Greg, aka the Free American Spirit, coming at you with another live video. You know, what's really cool about July is a lot of great things are happening for XRP. SBI is theoretically, the SBI VC is going live on the order books July 31st. Backit is doing their test trials. You have rumors about all kinds of things, like when MoneyGram is actually going to switch totally over to XRapid. You know, you just got a lot of good things happen. That Q2 report saying that Ripple is going to slow down the sales from their escrows to over the counter. That's great for us. But you know what else is cool? Looky, what came in the mail. That's right. This is the new MasterCard, now available to the United States, or excuse me, Visa card to the United States through Monaco, which is now crypto.com. So you open up that letter and you get a book that's got all the technical stuff about what they charge you and what they're not responsible and what you're responsible for. Then you have a nice box here. And in this box, you got a nice letter card here that's from Mr. Marzalak. He's a CEO or the co-founder. And you got this box. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that. Isn't that purr? That box has got a little pull thing on here. Pull that down. And then you have your card. It's a nice, beautiful metal card. It's a Visa card. Now, this is a prepaid card. You know, it's not for credit. But what you do is go on to crypto.com's exchange. They actually have a big exchange. And then you can link to your bank. You can buy whatever crypto you want to buy. They got BTC, LTC, and of course they have Ripple XRP, or not Ripple XRP, or I wouldn't be on it. But they also have some newer coins like Holochain. They also have their own native asset coin, MCO. That's a pretty interesting coin, and you may have to use that to get one of these. You stake a card, which means they pay you a little interest on it, and they tie it up for 6 months. So there's several of these cards. I've got the green or the blue one. I've got the green one here, same. That costs 500 MCO to stake it for 6 months. And during that time, they check you all out and do your KYC. And after 6 months, they send you the card. You go ahead and register the card or activate it. The other cards they have is one that's only 50 MCOs. And I believe MCOs are about $5 at the time that I'm talking to you today. They've gone up as high as $12 or $13. They've been as low as a couple dollars. But you buy that, you stake it, they pay you a little interest on it, you get it back after 6 months. So it's not like you're paying for the card. The card's actually free. Then they have a bigwig card, black or a white one. And those cards, you know, you got to put a lot of MCO on. In addition to MCO, they also have a CRO coin. And that is for a service that they have, which is going to merchants, where, like me as a plumber or pressure washer, I can actually go and take that merchant service and say, hey, I take BTC, I take MCO, I take Ripple, you know, just like a credit card. So that's really kind of cool to rolling that out. So the price of that coin is, I guess, based on how that side of the business goes. So it's in this pretty established company. I'm going to go here in a minute and show you some stuff. But before I do that, I just want to remind you, please hit that subscribe button. It's right under the video. And just above that subscribe button is a thumbs up. Hit thumbs up. And if you have questions, please put them in the comments below. Google really likes when you comment, and I'll be glad to answer if I can, or usually one of my subs will, because you guys are smarter than I am. But let's move on over here. I got to turn away for a minute and get this computer going over to here. So let's transition this over to my screenshot. And then we'll pop that up. Ta-da! MCO card is now available in the U.S. So this is the MCO site. And as you can see, it's in the Apple Store or Google Pay. You can download the app for your phone. Okay, so this also has an app for your phone where I can buy these coins, put money from my bank, transfer, whatever, just like a Coinbase app. So now you got the app for your phone. You got the exchange, it's an actual exchange, and you have the CRO token, which is powering merchants, and then you have the MCO token. So that's pretty cool, guys. That's your wallet. Of course, if you have XRP or BTC wallets, you can take it off your exchange and send it to wherever. You know, but as far as MCO and CRO, I believe you have to keep it on the wallet right there. So far, I haven't had any problem with mine, but I haven't really looked to see if Ledger or anybody else, has those wallets available on their hard wallet. So with that being said, let's go over here to crypto.com for a minute. I'm sorry, I'm on crypto.com. Let's go over to Bitcoin Wiki, or BitWiki, I think it is. And if you go through here, it'll tell you all about the team, the staff profile, the advisory board. At the time this was updated, MCO coin was ranked 84 out of 67 million market cap. It was $5.12, or 512 million in volume, excuse me. The card, these tell you about the different cards, and then there's different things that are attached to these cards. So as a Visa program, I can take my card and I can use it wherever Visa is accepted. I just cash in my XRP or my BTC to USD, put it on a card. There's no fees for that, I believe. You'll have to check MCO or crypto.com for sure. But once it's on there, you get up to $800 on my particular card a month that I can spend with no fees, and then after that, you charge 2%. But I can take $25,000 out as well and put it on there. So if you're, if you have a lot of XRP and it moons, you can go to Uphold and take out $25,000 a month or whatever it is. You can go here and take $25,000 out a month. You can go to Coinbase, take $25,000 out. They all have different levels, but it's just another avenue. But the deal is you can use it wherever. They also have a cash back program, from what I understand. I haven't really gone out and used it. I haven't messed with it because I just got it. But here they have a cash back program. They have a staking program where you can lock up MCO or CRO and you'll get more return. You can also stake it without locking up coins, but your return is lower. So you have a staking program, you have a cash back program, you have low fees or no fees. The card was actually free, but you put money up and held it for 6 months. There's also little things, promotions that they're doing. And from what I understand, you can get Netflix and they'll reimburse you if you buy it with a card. I don't know if that's every month or just 1 month. Once again, I haven't gone that far down the road with it. I just got it in my hands. So this is really, pretty exciting when you look at all this stuff. So I encourage you, once again, to go up here and look at this bitcoinwiki.org, read through it all. And that may not be the latest and greatest update, but, it's all on one screen. But really, you should go to crypto.com, because as you go through this, you can then look at all the different features. Here's all the different cards right here. You can see what, the app looks like there. This tells you about earning, up to 8% per annual. I think they go up to 3 months. So, if you put 100 coins up for 3 months, you won't get 8%. You'll get like 2.2%, a quarter, right? Yeah, so 2%. So, what bank gives you 2% in a quarter, or 8%? So if you have a bunch of coins, like a ton of XRP, and you want to lock it up, you can lock up your XRP, spend half of it, keep half of it liquid, or whatever you want to do, and earn interest on it. I have not personally tried this. I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just telling you the services here. Okay. I probably won't do much staking. They also have credits, which I forgot to bring up. You can actually take your XRP and say, hey, whenever I got 10,000 XRP, give me what it's worth. They'll lock it up. They'll give you the money. They'll charge you whatever percent they charge you. I haven't looked that far, but, I guess you have X amount of time to pay it back. So, if your XRP is worth 30 cents and you take out 10,000 worth as a loan, and all of a sudden your XRP goes to 60 cents, I guess, you tell them to sell it. They take out what's theirs, or they sell enough to cover their loan and their fee, and you get the rest, I reckon. So once again, I have not staked. I have not put anything on the credit. I just got it. I'll probably have a follow-up video. I'll probably try those just to see how they work. But this is a well-rounded program. You know, I don't know any other card. I tried the SWIFT card. It was a piece of garbage, and I think I paid $25 for it for a pre-fund card. And, you know, it's supposed to do all this great stuff. What was it called? Shift or whatever. All of a sudden it was gone. They didn't even give me my $25 back, rat bastards. Anywho, this is, you know, this has staking, it has credit, it has, you know, all kinds of stuff on it, man. I mean, you know, giveaways and whatever. This is paid. You can go out. That's the program that they have I was telling you about for entrepreneurs. So if you have a shop or something, all you gotta do is scan that thing and it'll take it right out of your wallet. That's really cool. You know, that was the investing that I was telling you. If you don't want to take a loan, put it in there and stake it. So really, really nice stuff. They've been around for a couple of years now. They started out, I guess, in Europe or Hong Kong, somewhere over there. The bank that issues this is actually, that issues the card, came from, well, this came from Forest Inc. I don't know if that's the bank, but I think the bank that issues this, you can't hold me to this, but if you look about them and do whatever, I'm sure that you'll find out that the bank that they're using for these cards is here in America, and I think their main office is in America. Once again, don't quote me on that. I was looking at it, trying to find, let's see, wallet card, invest, credit, earn, pay, support. Every time I have written the support, just about little things, they have answered me. That's really nice. So there you go. I mean, you know, I don't know what else to tell you. People, give it a try. Look at my link in the description. If you happen to get a card, we'll both get $50. I guess you got a stake to do that. I'll try to remember to put that link. But even if you don't use my link, just go on there, check it out. It may be worth your time and while, and you know, it's a really nice card. I mean, I haven't even activated yet, but once I get this card activated, like I said, I'll try to find a tap place where I can tap it. There's none around here, but I'll use that as a regular card, and I'll get back on you and let you know, what it's all about and how well it works. So that's the video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I tried to keep it short. It was a one-take video. Sorry for any of the, mess-ups. But once again, please like, please subscribe. Look down the description, support the channel, and have a great day, everybody. And we'll talk to you on the return. See ya.